What's up, guys? Manuela Vincent back with another video. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how beginners are learning to earn $900 per day working a 2-hour workday with no experience. So I'm going to be sharing with you how we're doing that over here. But before we do so, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Be sure to hit that like button and that notification bell. That way you're notified when I do drop another video. So let's get right into it, guys. So again, my name is Manuela Vincent. I have actually been network marketer, affiliate marketer. I've done so many things. I'm a corporate HR person as well, and I've done that for pretty much all my career. I have 2 degrees. I have been married for 28 years. Let's talk about my kids a little bit. I have 3 kids. One is 28, married. I have another one who is an 18-year-old. We actually just drove 394 miles up north to drop him off at dorms. And then I have a daughter who is a junior in high school. We're going to be empty nesters soon. So all of these things had been, had me thinking. I knew I didn't really want to stay in corporate. I actually took a 5-year career break from my HR career back in 2017 because I kept, getting laid off of these jobs. I felt like I wasn't really being paid my worth anyway. So I said, let me just use this time, take a break. Let's see what's online. Let's see if I can find something to supplement my income online. I've done it all, guys. I've done anything you could think of. The network marketing, like I said, didn't like it, failed and failed again miserably. Selling the potions and the lotions and all these supplements and all these things, right? It all sounds nice, but I felt like I had to constantly bug family and friends, and it wasn't conducive, and I wasn't getting anywhere with it. And I wasn't bringing money into our pocket. My husband has been working 2 jobs for like over 10 years now. And so I knew in my heart that I needed to get this man or start to get this man retired from at least his part-time job. I want to start savings for myself and my husband. I want to be able to retire and really enjoy life, traveling, maybe do the RV life. These are things we're thinking because we are getting older. We have one more kid at home, so we're going to be empty nesters soon. So I had been thinking about this for quite a while. Again, I failed and failed miserably in the network marketing space because, who wants to have to sit there and call 100 people that bug family and friends, constantly DMing people? I didn't want to deal with that. That's what I love about this business model. And I love that I can do this around my schedule. I can be doing anything I want to. Again, I do work a corporate job, but my intention is to actually get out of that. And it's not stable. I've been doing contract work for the last couple years, going on 3 years. And, with that, it comes, a time where they let you go. So I really needed to make sure I got into something that was going to be sustainable for us. And so, when I was introduced to this, it was flexible. I could do this around my schedule at work. I can do it within my hour, an hour, and then in the evening, I could do another hour, right? Doing my 2 hours for my business, making income, doing income producing activities, right? We'll teach you those things. So I love that this was flexible. I didn't want to come into something where I had to do a lot of setup. This was super simple. If you don't have any tech skills, you don't need to worry about that, guys. With this, it's very beginner friendly. Like I said, we show you how to connect the automated system. The automated system works for us. So we attract people that are interested in what we have with this. We're not having, again, to bug family and friends. I love that about this because I came from that and I didn't want to do that again. So this allows us to create content, 3 to 4 pieces of content a day, basically explaining what this is about. It could be in video, post form. We teach you all the styles that you're most comfortable with. If you don't like face to show your face, you don't have to. That's how simple it is. We have a faceless branding that you can do. I use faceless as well, but there's so many ways to do this, and we teach you all those ways. And essentially, we're attracting people that are interested in us and what we have. They're going to get to know you, know, like, and trust, and then put their email address in. And that's where the automated system works for us. You're going to actually get an automated system that's easy to connect. I was able to connect mine within 10 minutes, putting my payment gateways and all that good stuff in there. So very newbie friendly. It comes with videos that walks you through it. We have weekly webinars, guys, with our mentor, mindset training, all kinds of good things. We have a community here that supports you. We support each other, and that's what I love about this. Never been a part of anything like that before in my life. We support each other's successes, no matter if it's a monetary thing or somebody got 1,000 new subscribers on YouTube. We cheer you on. Okay, so like I said, you'll be given a funnel, an automated system that is proven to convert. It has been used time and time again by our multimillionaire mentor, and that's why we haven't changed it. So it works, guys. It works. I love what we have here. What happens is when we attract the right people to this opportunity, um, we actually are providing service as a programs. There's 4 different programs here, guys, so let me explain that a little bit. I'm part of the Legacy Builder program, which encompasses all 3 of the other programs. It's all in one, and they're digital programs that teach you the skills to be able to make these commissions that I'm talking about, whether it's $100, $300, $600, $900. We earn those daily depending on whoever purchases a course from us. These are all high in demand income producing digital courses. I want to give you a fun fact here. Digital marketing at this point is a $1.7 billion industry. It's actually projected by the year 2027 to be a $3 billion industry. And by the year 2030, it is going to be a $1 trillion industry. So you do the math there and you think that this is not in demand. It's definitely skills you need, and I highly recommend it. We teach you everything you need to know how to be a successful digital marketer, utilizing a 2-hour workday, copy paste ads, like I said, video creation. If you're shy, you don't want to show your face, we have everything that you can think of here. This is the best place by all that I can think of. I'm so blessed to have found it. So again, guys, there is 4 programs to choose from. What you'll do is I will be if you go to this website right here on the screen, www.manuelavincent.com. That's my name. You go there, and that'll get you to my funnel, my automated system. You'll put your email address in for the blueprint. Once you do that, it'll kick you over to a video where you can actually watch my mentor talk about the programs, breaks the programs out, and you decide which level you want to come in at. I came in at the $900 package just because it encompasses so much. We get private one-on-one sessions with our mentor as a legacy builder program. We get to actually get into breakout rooms and discuss our strategies. We get so much with the legacy builder program, and I want to build a legacy for my family. So you have to decide, what is your why? Why are you doing this? You would spend thousands of dollars like I did on a degree, and in hopes that you're going to be successful in that field. Okay. This is the same thing here, but it's in high demand, which means that you're going to have a better result with it. And you pay one-time fees. You're not talking about any kind of loans with this one-time fees. So it's an education that is well deserved. It's going to teach you the high in demand skills that you need in this industry. So it is digital marketing. Again, guys, it's very newbie friendly. I would love to share more with you. If you could just go to that link that's there on my screen, that www.manuelavincent.com, or comment down below, guys. Comment down below. I am ready to make a change. I am tired of my corporate job. I want to get out because I know I sure do. I want to be able to quit my 9 to 5, not deal with any of that. I want to retire my husband. We want to go live large, wine and dine, and just enjoy the rest of our lives. So if that's you guys, again, go ahead and drop that comment down below, and I would love to share more with you. All right, guys, take care.